Jen explain what's happening. Jenny?
Hey guys, okay, so Shop 65 is now in Suburban Square. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Thanks for having us.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so everyone kind of is ready to elevate their look a little bit, right?
Yep.
They're ready to move beyond the sweatpants.
Yep.
Tons of trends, but you're going to help them rock them no matter what our comfort level is.
Exactly.
Okay.
People are so excited to be going out again now that things are opening up. If anyone who already is a client and knows me knows how much I love rocker tees.
Okay.
This rocker tee, I have women come in, they buy them, they wear them with their daughters, they kind of share them. So there are different ways to wear them. Right now Gracie's wearing it in a little bit of a younger, kind of cute way with the tie. We can also do a little front tuck, put on a beautiful belt that we may have at home. We're always looking for cool belt lines.
I love that.
This is one of our favorites, staples. And then just do like a little front tuck and it kind of like elevates it, makes it a little bit more
I love
chic.
that. You also say a white double-breasted blazer is something we all need in our
I'm sorry,
closet.
I'm a perfectionist. Yes. I again, someone that shops with me knows that I love my white blazers. This year, I love the double-breasted blazer. I think that it really, you know, kind of puts your outfit together.
And
Just
it goes
throw
with
on.
so many different
You
things.
can throw it on over a beautiful lace top, again, a t-shirt. I mean, it just kind of pulls you together and just, you're
I
ready
love
to
it.
go.
The deep V in the front is something that's huge.
Yes. Deep V, whether it's like a little bit of a ruffle detail. This one has a really beautiful like cap sleeve. This one could also be a little bit more conservative if you wanted to wear it, you know, a little bit more elevated that way.
Okay,
with a
and by
white
that
jean.
you mean this type of thing that has a sleeve on it, but still the deep V?
So this one's a little bit more sophisticated. It has all the ruffle detailing. Right now we rocked it out with this really cool studded jean. This is, again, a little bit more edgy, a little bit more, you know, you're kind of going out to dinner, making it a little bit, pushing the limits a little bit, but this could be worn to the office or on a Zoom call or, you know, just a little bit more put together.
I love it. All right, and then finally, this like distressed jean jacket, and you styled it kind of girly.
I love to throw jean jackets on over almost anything. Again, it pulls you together. If you see the back of it, it's a little bit edgy, so you can kind of like show that you're not wearing your typical jean jacket. But this season, they're really showing a lot of like that, a little bit country, a little bit rock and roll kind of look.
Yeah.
And I love this dress by Love Shack Fancy. It's a new designer that we brought in that we're just like, it's two designers from New York City who are just incredible. They're just blowing up the scene with these beautiful, you know, again, there's a big push for femininity right now because people were wearing sweats for so long. So I think that everyone's really excited to kind of show their feminine side, push the limits a little bit with that. And the eyelet is a big trend with the freshwater pearls. And
I love it.
Yeah.
You guys look great. Okay, so we're gonna do some more trends in the 8 o'clock hour?
We are.
Okay, you did perfect. The thing that I like about what we did, guys, Mike and Alex, is like, you kind of nailed it. Like, femininity is back, and we can do it no matter what our comfort level is. Like, maybe not totally deep V, totally doing whatever.
You can play with all the trends on what feels comfortable for you. But what we love now that we can see each other in person again is to have our clients come in, and it's more intimate. We can give them options. We can play with different ideas of how to style them. So now that we're here in Ardmore, we're reaching our Philadelphia clients again and all of our mainline clients. So it's really fun to see everyone in person and be able to play and kind
nice.
of put the outfits together.
Get back out
I love
again.
it.
What's the name of
Awesome.
this? What's the name of this store?
Shop 65. They used to be in Rittenhouse. You're still in Doylestown?
We are still in Doylestown.
You might be
yes.
at the shore this summer?
We're trying to find a shore point, possibly in Margate.
Oh, good.
Very nice.
Thanks, Jen. We'll check back with you.